Hello, my friends. My name is Emilio, and I'm here to play and learn with you. Are you ready? Today, I'm on TV. Yes. Are you ready to watch our TV show? So, come on, hands on!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's time to have fun, it's time to learn. Hands on, start to play.
Today in our TV show, I will show you my house. I love my house. Do you like your house? Yes? Let's start with my living room. This is where I watch TV. Wow, living room. That's it. Watch TV. Wow, now we are in the kitchen. Oh yeah, the kitchen. I cook in the kitchen. My food is so delicious. What do you like to eat? Next. Now we are in the bathroom. 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 I will take a shower in my bathroom. My bathroom is very beautiful. Shh! It's time to sleep. I sleep in my bedroom. Yeah, bedroom. I will sleep now, kids. I see you next time here on Hands On. Bye bye.